Alright guys, well, the dip is happening again. If you saw my video yesterday, I told you specifically I would not rush back into Jasmy because we have to confirm that the bottom is actually in at the 618 level. Yesterday, the candle closed on a weekly, being Sunday, and we'll talk a little bit about Dogecoin in a little bit as well, where that closed. Now we closed the week above the 618, but below the 50 on a fib right here, okay? So what that's telling me is I think we're gonna test it again. And by test, I mean the 2.7 area. That's the 618 level, right under 2.7. If this doesn't hold, and we have a whole week now, basically, because today's Monday, then I do believe we're gonna go down to the 786 level. I wanna make this very clear for everyone watching this video. This white arrow I drew for you is a huge peak of volume. This is right at the 786 level. And just so you all know, the 786 level is right above 2 cents. Okay? So can that happen? Absolutely it can. But another thing you want to be aware of is we could use the Keltner channel as support. We've used it before. You can see this middle line right here. When Jasmy had its first run up from, the low point of Jasmy was 0.002 something, I believe. And then it ran up all the way to 2.6, a little over 2.5 cents. That was that peak right there. And then you could see the stochastic curled over on a weekly time frame. Jasmy started to come down, but Jasmy stayed above the middle Keltner line. Well, look what's happening right now. Jasmy, the stochastic has curled over, obviously came down, big red candle, still above the middle Keltner line, which is a positive sign that we're still in an uptrend. Hopefully that makes sense. Also, the RSI right now, it's not telling us much on a weekly. It's at 61. If I jump over to a daily time frame, guys, the RSI is at about 40. So it's getting oversold. The stochastic is very low. But on a daily time frame, we're actually trading under the middle line on a Keltner channel. So again, this is the reason why I said you don't need to rush back into Jasmy in yesterday's video. I'm really checking to see if we hold the support with this white line right here that I drew for you, the 618 level. This was a buying zone for myself and others, and I shared that with you guys as well. I'm looking to buy at certain zones now for Jasmy and then hold until certain prices hit. Now, I don't know if this is gonna happen, if we're gonna crash all the way down to 2 cents, but I will tell you, I have cash ready to go if we close around 2 cents, 2.1. Now, what it's telling us is still a pullback. We're in a pullback right now. It's still happening. Bitcoin's pulling back also. So alts are pulling back. Jasmy has ran up over 1,000% though from the lows of very recently in the last 9 months. So this is healthy to me. Like, you see the move up, pull back, move up, pull back. Now let's see if we hold. The last support that I would say we really need to hold is like 2 cents, or else then it could get ugly, but I really don't think it's gonna get that ugly. I think right now we're just experiencing a pullback. This is crypto. This is how it works, especially because the halving event just happened in April. It's literally been only 60 days since that happened. If you look at the cycles, usually the next 6 to 12 to max 18 months, Bitcoin is much higher, alts are much higher. So don't really look at the day-to-day, look at the weekly. And again, if we follow the stochastic on a weekly for Jasmy, then we can pull back a little more this week, right? But I'm watching all these indicators. I'm gonna be updating the Patreon on this with buy levels for different cryptos. If you wanna join the community, the link is down below. There are a couple spots that have opened up over the weekend, so check it out if it's for you. I almost forgot to say, guys, if you could drop a like, I would truly appreciate that. Subscribe, and don't forget to grab your coffee this Monday morning. Now, there's no new news for Jasmy. I made a video yesterday about a partnership. There's a lot of positivity around Jasmy right now. It's just that time right now where we're just kind of in some boring days and crypto's pulling back. Even Dogecoin is under 12 cents now. But the positive thing about Dogecoin is on a weekly time frame, the candle closed above support. Let me show you. weekly time frame, you can see this was resistance. Okay, this was back in the day. I mean, October 2022 was that right there. Pulled back, consolidated, we broke through resistance, then it became support. And my son just woke up, and it's only 6 o'clock. Here we go, guys, but here's support. Okay, the weekly candle closed above support, so, and it opened above support too, so we're experiencing a pullback right now. This could be a fake out and then move much higher. Stochastic very low on a weekly time frame, ready to curl at any moment. RSI also crashing down on a weekly time frame, is at 40. It's at 46 on a daily time frame. It's under 30. Dogecoin is very, very oversold. Dogecoin is a buying opportunity right now, but you could see open gap of volume. We could crash down and then bounce up very fast. Again, buying opportunity, guys, in my opinion. This is not financial advice. I'm not financial advisor. You just got to look at the charts, look at the news, look at what's going on with Bitcoin. And I hope y'all have a great Monday.